Welcome to Quick Tips with MIE Solutions. I'm Ray Anderson, and today we're going to compare ERPs to standalone software. When ERP systems were first released, they were mainly used in large enterprises. However, today's ERP systems can be used in any company in the market regardless of size. No matter the type of company you run, there is bound to be a software on the market that is right for you. As your business grows, you may realize you need a safer way to store data and need formal interaction between departments, not just an email, and you need real-time updates of your data and information. On the management side, you need your data to be secure and for it to be accurate, especially when it comes to accounting, determining costs, revenue, and budget. So what does an ERP system have to offer? Some common features and modules of ERP software include material resource planning, quoting, shop floor data collection, scheduling, cloud capabilities, support maintenance, warehouse inventory management, integration with CAD/CAM software, business intelligence, quality control, accounting, customer relationship management, and human resources. ERP systems aim to be an all-in-one solution for streamlining business processes. Of course, not every software can be replaced by ERP. For example, an ERP system will not replace your CAD/CAM software, but it should be able to integrate with the software so that you can decrease your workload by decreasing data entry. Another example would be a standalone business intelligence solution. It may be a better reporting system than what is offered in an ERP system. However, the benefit of ERP system is that it smoothly communicates between modules and departments. If you need a system that links multiple modules together to ensure processes flow efficiently from one department to another, then ERP is the software for you. We hope this clears up the difference between ERPs and standalone systems for you. Stay tuned for next week's Quick Tips.